present before you our company, Peninvent. The company here is launching a product which goes on top of any of the digital pens that are available in the market, and yeah, we're gonna like this pen would work as in can capture any color that's available in the surroundings, and you can scan whatever is available, and then looking at our caption, which is when world is your palette, it helps to connect the colors that are in the real world with the drawing tools by scanning the colors that are from anywhere. So it's through Bluetooth. So it's like that. The one that is at the top is the scanner. So you can scan any color that you see in the surroundings, and then that color comes up into your pen, and then you can use it on any of the smart devices, which is like Surface device, be it Microsoft, iOS, or anything. We're looking at, we see that our market is quite wide, and looking at that, we have a team of, we don't have a big team, but just a small one. So Bhavsar is our general manager. She is a postgrad in IT and has Certificate 3 in management. So she's quite compatible to be our general manager. Then we have Kriti Khann, who is the product manager and sales representative. And Ankur, Bhavsar, and Paarth, Soni, they work as a team together to make the product in better situation, to make them available in the market in better ways. So we're looking at, we have 100 billion Surface devices in the market. So looking at the CAGR of the digital pens is going to increase by 17.8% by 2024. We see that the market is quite wide. And looking at the digital pens that we still have in the markets, they're not quite compatible, because our initial target market, which is the painters, graphic designers, and the fabric designers, they're actually wanting colors from like different places. They don't get, like if you use manually all the colors in the computer, it's not that easy. It makes it more complicated. So by using this pen, you can scan it from anywhere in your surroundings, and then the color changes of any of the digital pens, and then you can use it on any surface. We've got the unique selling proposition because the stylus that are used in the market right now cannot sense the color from anywhere. So using the small object that you can place on top of any of the digital pens, get an advantage in that way. And as far as our advertisement is concerned, we've got Facebook, Twitter, eBay, public lectures in schools of arts, banners on buses. So that's how we're going to advertise our product. Price strategy, we're using values pricing. We've got smaller price, like $70, which is not a lot for a small device that goes on top of your pen. And plus, we're getting a lot of market for that. So yes, initial market is painters, graphic designers, but slowly we'll be able to capture the household, industries, and businesses, because they'll be having this need in future as well. Then we've got we have the break-even of 10,000 devices for 6 months. So for the first 6 months, we're going to have a look at 10,000 devices, and then we're going to capture more market as our revenue increases. We've got our basic suppliers as GSing Limited and Adequate GitHub. Risk, we have looked at a lot of risks that the company may go through. So first is the demand of customers. If the demand of the customers keeps on changing, initially we are looking at a small device that goes on top of your pen, but maybe in future we'll start developing the whole pen. So as we see that the market is growing, and we're going to bring more features in the pen. So it's going to improve the market. Supply of good, we have two Adafruit GitHub, which is our basic supplier. They have 2 chips that we can install on our products. So the first one, if we don't get that one, we always have the alternative chip that we can use on our pen. Then we have the introduction of new technology. If the new technology comes up, we'll keep a track on it. We'll keep how the market is processing, and have a look. We'll go through the changes, how it goes through. Operational risk, our general manager is keeping a check on that. On every monthly basis, she is having a look at how is the things going, if there are any changes needed or any processes that needs to be done. So that should be done by the general manager. In IT risk, we have an agreement with all our team members that the confidentiality agreement, like any of the IT risk, we have covered most of our IT risk in that. But in case we have it in future, we still have the agreement in force. So there shouldn't be any trouble. Safety, we are looking at the safety of the children here. This device can be used by, we have put a warning sticker on the device which says that children below 7 age cannot use it, but still if they want to use, they have to be monitored by their parents. SWOT analysis. This will be looked by our general manager and she'll explain you about that.
Hello, myself, I'm Bhavsar, and I'm going to explain about the SWOT analysis, which actually companies Peninvent actually having. So a biggest strength with Peninvent, that's we have a unique product in a market, which actually capture a large market, and it's a biodegradable plastic used. Though we have a weakness that market is not aware of our product, and supplier not able to if the supplier not able to meet our demand, then we have, as my product manager says, that we have another device, another sensor, that's a TS230, that's the name of the sensor, so they can use it. We got an opportunity. There are a few competitors in the market, and it's a wide access to the customers through the internet. And the threat, competitors with a new innovative product. So a company with the threat, there are, we never know when the new innovation things are coming in the market. So competitors, we always get upgrade with the things, whatever comes new in the market. So we always keep watch on it and see what we can make more implement to get the things done. So regarding the finances, so upfront we need 400,000. My family like to contribute 200,000. And thousands, we actually trying to get a bank loan from a Commonwealth Bank with an interest of 5.73. And another 100,000, we're trying to get external investors, which are really angels for our business. And with the sales and distributions, with the 60%, we are trying to sell our product to JB Hi-Fi and Officeworks. So people can use our products, they try, and then they can buy it. So it's a physical, they do get physical, they have an experiment, and they can buy those free. And with the other 40%, we are trying to put the things on our own website. So people, though they don't they get more information from the internet, from our website. So there is no physical, but so 60 and the 40%, that's around 100% people can get our product idea from everywhere. So our goals and objectives, the goal and the objective of the business is to provide users scan, write, draw, sketch, and share the device on the Surface Pro Android, the latest technology. That's the end of the presentation, and thanks for listening.
Thank you. I have a question.